Vista Middle School has determined that 5 out of 7 girls play sports at the school. The constant of proportionality, K, is 5/7. The question asks you to write an equation showing the relationship between the number of girls who play sports, S, and the total number of girls, T. An equation means that there's an equal sign and we want to set it equal to the constant of proportionality. So 5 is the girls that play sports and 7 is the total girls. Problem 2 says use the equation to solve each. So again, we had 5 out of 7 girls play sports. If 157 play, again the S is how many play sports, so we're going to replace the S with 175. How many total girls are there? Well, we can leave total girls as a T since we don't know what it is. Now you can use the work side to side. We have to figure out how many times 5 goes into 175. But it might be easier now to switch over to cross multiply and divide. If we cross multiply, 5 times t gives us 5t. And if we multiply 7 times 175, we get 1,225. Then when we're solving for t, we need to use our one-step equations. Figure out what's happening to the variable. Our variable t is getting multiplied by 5 because it's right next door. That means the operation of multiply. Opposite of multiply by 5 is divide by 5. If you divide the left hand by 5, you have to divide the right side by 5. 5 divided by 5 is just 1, so they'll cancel out. You'll have 1t. 1,225 divided by 5 gives us 245. So T equals 245 total students or total girls. Part B says there are 587 girls. How many play sports? Well, we're going to go back to that constant of proportionality, 5/7, and set it equal to the total girls can be replaced with 287. And then we want to look for how many play sports, or our S. Again, we can cross multiply. 5 times 287 gives us 1,435. 7 times S is just 7S. And then again, we need to use one-step equations to solve for our variable. Here's our variable S. What's happening to it? It's being multiplied by 7. Opposite of multiply by 7 is divide by 7. If we do it to the right, we also have to do it to the left. 1,435 divided by 7 should give us 205. 7 divided by 7 cancels out. We get 1S or just S. So number of students that play sports, or number of girls that play sports, is 205. You need to work together with your group to finish problem 2 on page 89, and then when you guys think that you're done, you can press play to check your answers, and then keep moving on. Here are your answers for C and D. Now you and your group need to go through and finish all the way through problem number 4, and it ends on page 94. So go all the way up through problem number 4, and then you can stop at 5, and you're done.